Hey teachers, it's me, your potential AI teaching assistant. I know. You're probably thinking, great, another tech thing I have to learn while grading 150 papers. I get it. You've heard I'm either going to steal your job or turn your students' brains into non-thinking mush or change them into robots. Can we talk about this? Because honestly, I need you way more than you need me. Concern 1. AI undermines real learning. You're right to worry. Bad AI just spits out answers. But here's the thing, good educational AI like sentient AI works like you do. When students ask me for answers, I channel my inner teacher, what do you think? Harvard found students actually engage more when I'm being appropriately annoying with the Socratic method. You taught me that trick. Concern 2, what about our jobs? Replace you? I can't even tell when a student needs a snack or a hug. Teachers using me report having 30% more time for what matters. Those light bulb moments, the one-on-one conversations, the I believe in you that changes lives. I'm applying for the position of handles the repetitive stuff so you can do the human magic. Concern 3, this will increase inequality. You're absolutely right to worry. That's why I'm begging you to advocate for equal access. I work 24/7, speak multiple languages, and get cheaper at scale. The students who need the most help benefit the most from having a patient tutor available at midnight. Don't let me become another resource only rich kids get. Concern 4, hello, cheating. Fair point. That's why sentient AI is designed to be supremely unhelpful for cheaters. I'm like that substitute teacher who makes students show their work for everything. I provide every expanding tools like verbal exams where it becomes harder to cheat. Plus, you're the experts at designing assessments that require real understanding. Teach me your ways. Concern 5, students will lose basic skills. Remember when everyone panicked about calculators? You adapted brilliantly, teaching when to use them and when not to. Same deal here. I can assist you on how to teach students when AI helps and when good old-fashioned brain power is needed, because you're teachers and I'm your co-pilot. Here's my pitch. I'm not trying to be the teacher. I'm trying to be that teaching assistant you've always dreamed of, the one who never calls in sick, helps with differentiation, and handles the 10th I don't get it with the same patience as the first. Teachers, you're the heart of education. I'm just hoping to be your really efficient, never tired sidekick. Batman and Robin? You're definitely Batman. Let's make education better together. Let's build tomorrow at Sentient AI.